Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. It is estimated that 40% of the island's food crops were destroyed as a result of the passage of Hurricane Beryl. CEO of Grace Kennedy Group, Don Webby, told our Today, early assessments of crop status of our own contract farms and the farms that supply our external suppliers indicate that the island has lost an average of 40% of crops under harvest. This ranges from 80% loss in the southwest, which is St. Elizabeth, to 20% loss in the east. Webby added, from a GK Foods standpoint, the biggest impact will be on Aki's, Callaloo, Scotch bonnet sauces, and the various produce that High-Low Food Stores purchases locally. Trinidad and Tobago-based A.S. Bryden's & Son Holdings Limited, a subsidiary of Jamaican-based Mussons Group, announced that it has acquired a 44.8% strategic stake in Caribbean Producers Jamaica (CPJ) Limited for an undisclosed amount and without detailing the specific terms of the transaction. That said, in a press release dated July 9, 2024, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, an investment holding company owned by Mayberry Investments, announced that it had sold 20% of the shares it owns in CPJ to a strategic partner. CPJ is a leading food and premium beverage distributor for major global brands with a focus on serving hotels and resorts. It operates in Jamaica and St. Lucia. During trading for the period July 9, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Regional hotel, food and beverage provider Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited with 492,769,160 units amounted to 97.55% of the market volume in terms of sales of equities. Online educational platform Edufocal Limited with 5,212,219 units amounted to 1.03% of the market volume in terms of sales of equities. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,491,062 units amounted to 0.3% of the market volume in terms of sales of equities. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on July 9, 2024, registered a volume of 67,639 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 583,509 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 23 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 21,829 shares, changing hands for a value of 85,228 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 20 cents, followed by National Enterprises Limited with a volume of 11,300 shares being traded for 36,725 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on regional stock markets, we turn to the Forex market. On July 9, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $80.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $77.2 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.44 and bought the US dollar for $156.32. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.12, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $7.65 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.86 and bought for $109.21. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.74, selling it for $199.13 and buying it for $195.39. For our credit report tip of the day, we remind you that your credit score is more than just a number. It's a tool that opens doors to financial opportunities. And as you shop around for the best loan offers at various banks in your community, remember that your credit score can allow you to get flexible loan terms. With a solid credit score, you can negotiate for more favorable loan terms that suit your financial condition. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update,